Good morning. It's 6:30 on the last day here at Lake Balsam Tree, and this is the lake, and it's still and it's beautiful. And we're staying at this place called Rainbow something something, and it is absolutely gorgeous. This little hut you can stay in. Our place that we stay is back there. You can't really see it, but it's awesome. There's just some places to stay. The bar and the restaurant is just up that hill. It's a gorgeous place to stay at. I'm awake early because I'm crazy. You can see people fishing on these little log things. Oh, you can't really see. Maybe here. Oh, there's a man over there fishing. I'm just sitting here with some stuff. My cell phone that doesn't work. Just out on this chair. Doing nothing, enjoying the morning. Oh, there's a fisherman right there. They set out these nets and then they come and collect when they're ready. Anyway, that's the beautiful lake. That's the beautiful view. And there's the non-existent sunrise that I always wake up for in high hopes. Sometimes I get it. Anyway, this is my morning face. Bye.